JS22 drone operation tutorial. Take out the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connecting the battery. Connect the power supply. Red light is on when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Pre-flight preparation. Unfold the drone arm. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on a level surface. Press and hold to turn on the power of the drone. Then turn on the remote control switch. The remote control will automatically align the frequency of the drone. Calibrate the gyroscope with the alternate stick. Push up the left stick to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. One button to take off. Up. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Left fly. Right fly. Speed switching. 1 beep for low speed. 2 beeps for medium speed. 3 beeps for high speed. Press the roll button and toggle the right stick. The drone will roll 360 degrees. Press the obstacle avoidance button. The drone will start obstacle avoidance mode. Show press to enter fine tuning. If the drone is tilted left, it will be tilted right. If the drone veers forward, it will go backward. Show press to exit fine tuning. Turn on headless mode. The drone will move backward in the direction of the remote control. Exit headless mode. Motorized camera adjustment. One button to land. Replace the airfoil. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the airfoil screws to remove the airfoils. Pay attention to differentiate between A and B markings. Install the corresponding fan blade. Install the protective frame. Align the protective frame with the arm and lock the clips. Connect the app. Scan the QR code of the manual to download the corresponding system app. Connect the Wi-Fi of the drone after downloading. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Clip on the cell phone to start flying.